Welcome to Lingo Tree, Let's Speak Sinhala online series.
In today's episode, we will continue our previous lesson about pronouns. Possessive pronouns. These pronouns are used to show the ownership or possession. Before we learn about the pronouns, there is an important topic we must first cover, and that's about articles. Let's go back for a moment and cover it first. Before we begin, be aware that what you are about to learn may sound difficult at first. However, don't worry, it's normal. We are here to help and guide you through all the steps. Make sure to pause or replay the video whenever needed. Let us begin. As you might know, in English we have two types of articles. Definite article,
The,
indefinite articles.
an.
Fortunately, in Sinhala, there is no equivalent for the definite article. If we would like to say, book in Sinhala language, it is
Pota,
and if instead we would like to say, the book, again it will be
pota.
without any changes to the noun. However, there is an equivalent for the indefinite article. Let's have a look. Now, when it comes to the indefinite articles, unlike in English where we simply put a or an before the noun, in Sinhala we need to change the last syllable of the noun with ak or ek. Examples. The book in Sinhala is
Pota,
and if we would like to say a book, then potha becomes.
potak.
Second example. The elephant in Sinhala is
Alia,
and if we would like to say an elephant, then
alia,
becomes.
aliek.
In both the examples, you can notice that only the end of the word is being modified with the use of a, k and ek. Now you might wonder, how do I know which one to use? It's quite simple. If the singular form of a noun represents a tangible object, substitute the final syllable, a, with ak. For instance, in Sinhala, the term for cap is
Topia,
concluding with the letter a. Consequently, to express a cap, just replace the ending letter a with ak.
topiak.
On the other hand, if the singular noun represents individuals or animals, then replace the last syllable a with ek. For instance, in Sinhala, the word for dog is
Balla,
ending with the letter a. Therefore, to say a dog, simply substitute the concluding letter a with ek.
ballek.
Notice, almost all the Sinhala nouns for things, objects, people, and animals end with the syllable letter a. Therefore, it's quite simple. Pause the video and have a look at the examples given below. Now let's try a small exercise. Try to compose the indefinite articles for the provided nouns.
Maluek, putuak. Guruvarek, Panak, Balek, Endumak, Tatek, Tagak,
Congratulations, you have made it to the end. Can't wait to see you on our next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.